Assalamu alaikum scholars. You are listening to Ziaur Rahman. Scholars, today we have lecture number 30 and its part first. Today's lecture is about what is body of knowledge. Previous lecture, which was lecture number 29, was about what kind of literature to review for academic research. Now I am coming towards the present lecture. What is body of knowledge? Body of knowledge is simply defined as up till now a knowledge which is known by all the humans on earth, or a collective knowledge available on our planet earth. All the things to whom humans know, express, observe, think, control and believe in any society or in any way is termed as a body of knowledge. Body of knowledge is a complete set of concepts, terms and activities that make up a professional domain as defined by the relevant society, learned society or professional association. These two things are very important: learned society or professional association. In next slides we will brief you about the meanings of learned society and professional association. Look at this circle, that if this circle is full of a body of knowledge which is currently know about all the humans on our planet, which is named as Earth. Might be someone know a very little knowledge, might be someone know more knowledge than the other individual, might be a society or a country know much of the knowledge as compared to the other countries or other societies. But it is not possible that any person know nothing or which is known by a person is seems as same knowledge in the other society, in the other country. So here the meanings of the knowledge or the learning of the people are different from people to people and country to country, and collectively the collective knowledge of the humans on the planet is termed as body of knowledge. All the things which are known by the humans are known as body of knowledge. Further, it is the literature printed on books, newspapers are authentic knowledge or acceptable for all? There are many disputes among the knowledge gurus or well-known scholars about the way to create the knowledge or an acceptable, authentic knowledge. Knowledge is either a subjective, it is very important, knowledge is either a subjective or objective. A subjective knowledge in which society holds understanding of same thing in different meanings, but the objective knowledge in which professional area determined how to operationalize the knowledge to generalize it in same meaning for all. So this is the difference between the objective and subjective knowledge. Subjectively, the meanings or understandings of same thing may be different from people to people, society to society or country to country, but objectively the meaning or understanding of the same thing may be the same from people to people and country to country. So there are many other concepts which combinedly are necessary to understand about the body of knowledge. Mainly these are how knowledge is created, elements or parts or steps of knowledge creation, knowledge, difference between knowledge and wisdom, how academic knowledge is created, how organizational knowledge is created, difference between organizational knowledge or academic knowledge, difference between tacit or explicit knowledge, what is empirical research, what is research based evidence. So all these 10 lectures are a part of our lecture number 30. So today we had delivered you about the basic understanding about what is body of knowledge. The next lectures will be about the remaining part of lecture number 30. So you are requested to please listen the lecture number 30 completely, and you are requested to please subscribe to our channel. If you have any comment, please comment on our videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.